Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to leverage your income and education for an Upstart loan in 2025. So Upstart's AI model considers more than just credit score, giving weight to income and education. So you can take advantage of that in a couple of ways, and I'm going to show you. The first is to provide accurate employment and salary details. So the higher your income, the better your chances of approval. But if you're self-employed, you want to submit tax returns or bank statements as proof. Next, you want to use your education to your leverage. So a college degree, especially in a high earning field, can significantly improve loan terms. So Upstart evaluates your field of study and school reputation in its approval model. So if you have a good education background, you're gonna have a much greater chance to get a good loan. Also, you want to consider a co-signer if needed. So while Upstart doesn't allow traditional co-signers, showing additional sources of income or strong employment history is going to help massively. You also want to request a realistic loan amount. So higher income borrowers may qualify for a larger loan, but borrowing only what you need increases approval chances. So if you potentially could borrow 50,000, you might want to go for something lower, because you're gonna stand a higher chance of actually getting that loan. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.